Hello everyone, we're back with session number 1,000,005. We're still trying to get the build to work so we can actually deploy. So one of the things that we found is if we change from the default of .NET Framework 4.5 to 4.0, everything works. So now we want to check in the changes and see that it actually runs on the test server. So let's check in the changes. For example, we need to add everything.
Yeah, there's a dot.
Yeah, just dot, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, didn't we have a git ignore for FB7LK? Let's add that to the git ignore. So you can say vim.git ignore.
Vim
.git ignore. Yep. And here, because it's an FBLK. So remember in Vim you use with JK to go up and down or just the arrows, and you want to change something with going to insert mode. I for insert mode. Yep. And for example, you might add a new line here. Hold on. Before let's when to escape. So, if you want to add a new line with Vim, the worst thing you can do is go to insert mode and press enter. Okay?
Okay.
Because the whole point of Vim is that you shouldn't have to do that. So let's say you're in this line and you want to add a line after it. Just press the letter O, and that starts a new line and goes into insert mode.
Oh, okay.
So press O.
Right there.
Yeah. You see?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of the point. So we will say everything dot. What was the name of that file?
Something with lock.
Dot .lk. So star .lk, I think. LCK.
Like that.
I think it was lowercase. Okay.
Mm.
Let's see. Enter. Escape. And you remember right column. Column.
Like this.
Yep. Right quit. Perfect. So it was LCK. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's see git status again. See what happens. Okay. That's good.
Should try.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we added the deploy one, and we are also changed the git ignore. So usually what I would do here is I would actually do multiple commits. For each one I would have a different comment, but for now, well, let's just do it all in one commit. So git commit, yep, enter. Now we want to start writing our comment, so we'd say change to .NET 4.0. Escape, right click with the colon. Cool. Okay, let's push so we can actually get the server running.
Like this.
Yep. Now we don't have a deploy yet, right? We didn't call the deploy yet. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tell the TeamCity to run our deploy script. Right?
Like a trigger.
Yeah, so that's triggered after continuous integration. So let's go to our TeamCity. We have Chrome right there. And we have that tab here. And let's create a new build type in the project.
This one?
No, a new build type. So we go to the this is the current. You see CI. We want to have a deploy build.
Oh yeah, you want a new instance of the
new build type.
Yep. Great.
In the same project. So we can actually go here and say wolfrobove.no. We can you do it through project settings?
Yeah, I think so.
Pretty sure you have to do it through administration. Oh, it's a new build configuration here. Yeah, my mistake. What should we call it?
to test? Or?
Okay, perfect. Okay. Do we need anything, VCS settings or something? Or can we just get the artifacts from, yes, we can just get the artifacts from the CI build. Okay, so from VCS settings, we don't need to do anything. But we do want to add a build step, and that runs the command line, just like we did before. The name of the step would be run script. And the command executable is, did we install to C/FB? I think.
Mm-hmm. No, what did you say?
C/FB /fbcmd.exe. CMD. Yeah, like command line.
Yeah.
.exe. And the parameters will just call it deploy. The name of the file will just deploy it on Git. So here on the command parameters. You see here?
Was it there? No.
Oh, you say deploy.fbz7.
Yeah.
Can you scroll up so we can see it? Okay. Deploy.fb7, fbz7.
Like that?
I think so. Yep. Save. Actually, yeah, I think that will work. But we need to have all the source files. So we can go to our dependencies and add a snapshot dependency or an artifact dependency. The difference is in the versioning of the source control. So for now, we can just use artifact dependency of the last successful build of CI. Is that the one we want?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And the destination path is the current one. And here we would just, I think we would just say everything. So we just say star /star. Oh, backspace. Screw you, backspace.
Edit.
Like that. This is the Java way or the Unix way of specifying recursive all directories / any file in that directory.
Okay.
And copy that to the local drive. However, in our CI build, we don't have any artifacts to out. So we can say just give everything as a result of this build, like that. That will explore all the files and everything. Now, usually you don't want to do specifically that, but just to prove our point, we can use it.
Yeah, okay. We can go and change it later.
That was good. Anyway, so now what we want is to actually run our builds. I mean, if we look at the history, the Bouvet CI actually failed last time we ran it. What the hell happened? The type namespace HTTP configuration could not be found. You're missing a using directive or something. Let's try that again. Did we, is our build failing still? Yeah. Type or namespace HTTP key configuration could not be found. And this is in .NET 4.0. How did our build work then on local machine?
Even it was 4.5 until now.
Maybe .NET Framework 4.0 is not installed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that could be.
Okay, so we're gonna take a short pause, not waste your time while we install .NET Framework 4.0 on the build server. Your installation will not occur. See below, reasons are same or higher version of .NET Framework has already been installed on the computer